Everyone's talking about AI, but most businesses have no idea how to actually use AI effectively or how they can use AI to actually grow their business. Now, if you're not sure how to start or how AI could help you generate leads and close more deals, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'll break down 5 practical AI systems that you can start using right now, even if you're not tech savvy, and this will help you automate follow-ups, save time, and generate more revenue by helping you generate more leads. Now, if you're wondering who is this guy yapping about AI on the internet, then my name is Manzarul. I run an AI agency and also a YouTube channel where I share all my knowledge about AI and how you can use AI to actually grow your business effectively by building these kinds of systems. Alright, now without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Now, 5 practical AI systems that any business can use in 2025. Firstly, we have the cold outreach personalization with AI. Now, this is a system which you can use to transform your cold email outreach completely. Now, who is this for? This is basically for B2B businesses such as agencies, SaaS consultants, SDR teams, founders, and companies with a large sales teams. So, what does it actually do? What problems does it actually solve? So generic emails are ignored. Manual personalization is time consuming. So if you want to personalize a certain email, then this can take time consuming and this is definitely not scalable. So difficulty scaling without sounding spammy. Now, what is the solution for this? So this is where the AI personalization actually works. So the AI will create unique relevant messages at scale by saving your time and increasing more engagement. So the AI will actually make the emails look like each of the emails were made for the prospect only. Like each of the emails were crafted by a lot of time and effort, and this will increase the personalization and hence this will increase the conversion rates a lot. So how does it actually work? AI scrapes prospect data from LinkedIn, website and social proof and then generates a personalized first line and also email, and the emails are sent in sequences with automated follow-ups. Now, these are the tools that you can use to create a system like this. Firstly, play.com, smartly.ai, and lavender AI. Now, if you have a system like this, then what type of impact can it have for your business? Firstly, it will save you a lot of hours per week, definitely, and it will also boost your reply rates from 1 to 2% to 8 to 15%, and this will also save you $3,000 to $8,000 per month in SDR costs because you're automating the entire email outreach process using AI. Now, secondly, now this is the second system that I'll be talking about, and this is one of my personal favorites because I've built a lot of this one for a lot of my clients. So what is this? A chatbot lead qualifier. So who is this for? Businesses with high website traffic, low conversions, service-based businesses, agencies, coaches, and any business tired of unqualified leads. You can basically install a simple AI chatbot into your website. So let's say your website is getting a lot of traffic but you're not converting any of those traffic, then this AI chatbot will basically qualify those leads, book appointments, seller service. It can do a lot of things. I have a lot of video about this in my channel, you can just check it out. But what are the problems it's gonna solve for your business? Firstly, the website visitors bounce without engagement, and this is the number one problem that it will be solving for you. And then time wasted on unqualified leads, sales reps aren't available 24/7, and that's a very simple issue, right? But if you have an AI chatbot that's sitting on your website or your WhatsApp, then it will basically just answer every lead's queries and it will qualify every single lead that opts in into the funnel. Also, this runs 24/7. So how does it work? The AI chatbot sits on your website, greets visitors, answers FAQ, and asks qualifying questions, pushing hot leads to your calendar and also to your CRM. So let's say a visitor lands at 11 p.m. and your chatbot qualifies them and books a call without you lifting a finger. So that's basically the most powerful use case there ever is. And if I just head back to my channel, then I have a video about this was my very first video and you can just check it out if you're interested. I also published a recent video as well as to where I created a WhatsApp AI agent that can basically take orders, book appointments, do a lot of things. Now let's move on to the third system, and this is the speed to lead AI system. So what does this actually mean? It means that reaching out to a lead as fast as possible whenever they opt in into a funnel. So let's say they click on a Facebook ad and they want to know more about your service, then there will be an AI agent that's sitting over there, and it will basically respond to the lead instantly and capture the lead by asking it qualifying questions and then try to qualify the lead and then send them to their CRM and also try to book an appointment as well. So who's this for? Businesses generating leads via forms, ads, chatbots, service providers, real estate consultants, any business frustrated with slow follow-up. Now, what are the problems it's solving? So, leads go cold quickly if they're not contacted, and sales teams are often slow or they're just busy, and there are missed opportunities and wasted ad spend. I mean, you're spending a lot of money on ads, you're generating enough leads. Let's say if you're generating 500 leads, then your sales teams are basically reaching out to at least 200 and 300 of them, right? And extra 200 of those leads are being left out, which is basically lost revenue. But having a system like this ensures that no other lead slips through the funnel. What is a use case? So let's say a lead opts in at 1:47 p.m. and your AI replies at 1:48 p.m. and they're basically booked before your competitor even sees the inquiry. I think you should just sit right there and think for a second how powerful that can be for your business. I mean, if you have a system like this that's like responding to 500, thousands, 10,000s of those leads right after the first minute, then this will basically ensure that your business is basically generating revenue on autopilot. All right. But anyways, I have a flow chart of this, and this will help you explain what the process actually look like. I basically published a video about this very recently. You can just check it out. I think if you click on the top right of the screen, you'll be able to see this video in depth. Now, let me just go through this flowchart real quick. So let's say someone clicks on your ad and then they submit a form, and the form could look something like this one. So let's say this is the ad, and then they just click on the form and they just send out all the message, and then the AI agent will basically respond in a text-based format. So once they fill up the form, the CRM will be updated automatically with the help of AI. The AI agent can basically call the number immediately, or they can also reach out to them via text or SMS. Right now, let's say if the AI agent actually calls the lead, then it will basically try to qualify the lead and then book an appointment, and then it will also update the CRM accordingly. All right, so it will do all of this on autopilot, so you don't have to lift a single finger during the entire process. So that's how effective this is. Now, what are the tools you can use? So you can use Zapier or Twilio to automate the entire process, go high level for your CRM, and you can also use a calling system like Vapi, where you can create a voice agent that will basically call all of your leads. If you're wondering how you can do this, then I have lots of videos in my channel. You can just check them out the way you want. Now, what is the type of impact that this can bring for your business? By the way, you can just forget about this one. This is completely an AI generated image. I know it looks very shit, but anyways, so what is the type of impact that it can actually bring to your business? So firstly, it will decrease the response time from hours to seconds, and the conversion rates will definitely go up, because there is a statistic that says that if you contact a lead within the first minute, then the chances of converting the lead can go up to 300%. That is a proven statistic, and you can just search the internet if you want. But anyways, it will also save you $2,000 to $10,000 per month in lost revenue, and you can also fire some of the SDRs if you want, because the AI is going to automate the entire process for you. All right, you'll just have to close the deal. That's all. Now, this is the fourth system, and this is also one of my personal favorites, and this is an AI appointment setter. So the main goal of this AI is to just book appointments for you. All right, you don't have to hire anyone for this, but this AI will basically book appointments for you, whether that be through text, through WhatsApp, SMS, or through phone call. So it will basically automate the critical step of booking qualified calls, ensuring consistent follow-up, and increasing show-up rates. Now, who is this for? High-touch businesses needing qualified calls, real estate, solar, med spas. There's a lot of use cases for this. A lot of businesses need this nowadays, and they're struggling to fill calendars from outbound ads. And yeah, so what are the problems that it's gonna solve for you? So leads don't book after submitting forms, and manual follow-up is definitely inconsistent, and leads go cold or forgotten. Now, what is the use case for this? So you get 20 leads a week from ads. Normally your team calls them manually. With AI, 70% get follow-up and booked without human touch. All right, actually there is something wrong with the number over here. It should be like at least 98%, because the AI does not miss out on a single lead at all. Now, how does the AI powered appointment booking actually look like? So let the AI handle the heavy lifting for you in terms of the follow-up and objection handling, and it will free your team from high value tasks as well. So the AI follow-ups via SMS or voice, handling initial objections or nurturing leads, and it will automatically book the appointments for you, and this will definitely increase your show-up rates. Now, what are the tools you can use? Just Call AI. Actually, I gotta get rid of this one. This is not Just Call, but I'd recommend Vapi in this case. And I have a lot of Vapi tutorials in my channel. You can just check them out. I also have a tutorial coming about how to build an AI appointment setter from scratch using Vapi within just 10 to 15 minutes. You can just subscribe to this channel if you want to stay updated about this. So yeah, it's going to be a very simple setup, and you're definitely gonna love this one if you're interested in this AI appointment setter. Now, what is the type of impact it can bring for your business? It's gonna save you a lot of hours per week. Definitely, you can just understand if this AI takes all the calls for you, then it's definitely going to save you a lot of hours, right? And it'll also improve your show up rates for appointments and save you $3,000 to $10,000 in SDR or VA time. And this is the fifth system, which is an AI lead magnet generator. So it'll basically quickly create valuable lead magnets for you to attract and capture emails, lowering lead costs and accelerating list growth. So who is this for? Coaches, consultants, and course creators, businesses growing an email list. I definitely use this for my business as well. So what are the problems it solves? Content creation is time consuming. Definitely, I can say agree with that. So missed opportunities for cheaper leads and lack of free offerings for prospects. Alright, so how does the automated lead magnet creation actually work? The AI will basically generate all the content for you and all the guides and all the checklists, all the templates, and it will basically package the entire thing for you. And you can use it on landing pages, ad funnels, or you can use it for building an email list or chatbots to capture leads. I mean, you can basically plug this lead magnet into your AI chatbot so that, let's say, whenever a visitor comes into your website, the AI chatbot will basically qualify the lead and send them the lead magnet, and this will definitely turn the lead into a client, that's for sure. But anyways, what are the tools you can use for this? ChatGPT, Canva, and Beehive, ConvertKit, whatever you want to use. These are the softwares that can help you build these kinds of systems, all right? So what is the impact that it can bring for your business? Save 10 to 20 hours of writing design time, reduce CPL by 30 to 50%, and generate dozens to hundreds of leads weekly. Now, if you're interested in all of these systems and you want to build at least one of them by yourself, then you can check out my channel, and I have a lot of tutorials in my channel, and you can just see one of them and just build it out for yourself, right? And also, if you want me to build this kinds of AI systems for you, or if you're a business owner who is interested in AI and you want to see the possibilities and how you can use AI to grow your business, and you want to work with me, then there's a link in the description down below. You can just click on the link and it will take you to a calendar page where you can book an appointment with me, and we will walk you through the entire process. We will audit your business and see if AI is a good fit for a business or not, if we can work together or not, all right? And also, if you have any other inquiries, then you can reach out to me in this email down below, all right? Now that's it for today's video. But the main goal of my video was to actually give you knowledge about these 5 AI systems which a lot of businesses are starting to use nowadays, and how you can use it for your business to stay ahead, especially in 2025 and ahead as well. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.